You're watching A18 Telangana News, English channel 24/7.
Welcome to A18 Telangana News. Telangana Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao held review meeting on floods and stated that 5,000 crore damage occurred due to the rains in Telangana and asked centre to give immediate assistance of 1350 crores. State has been lashed by unprecedented rains in the past 3 days, claiming over 30 lives, affecting normal life and damaging standing crops in thousands of acres in the state. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who spoke with Chandrasekhar Rao on Wednesday and inquired about the situation, has assured of all help to the state.